Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Early fall is the best time to repair bare patches in your lawn. The cooler temperatures and increased rainfall provide optimal growth conditions. Start by removing any dead grass, loosening the soil, and spreading a mixture of lawn soil and grass seed. Water the area regularly to keep the soil moist. And within a few weeks, you should see new grass emerging. Avoid the height of summer as heat can stress new seedlings.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.